Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and so I've been to my local Lidl and got the metal detector for £50. So let's see what's in the box. It comes with this little mini digging tool, which is like a baby version of an entrenching tool. And it's really quite sweet. I might give it to my 4-year-old. So, let's put it together and see how it works. Well, I don't know how effective this will be out and about, but let the treasure hunting begin. Thanks for watching guys, until next time, take care.